Don't wait 4 years and 11 months. Then it'll be based off of 4 years, okay? You don't want to waste those 11 months. If you're going to take income, take it 4 years, right? Hey, I am John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. Thanks for tuning in. I want to talk to you about a gentleman that I am helping right now, and he is going to have an annuity that pays out way more than he was looking at with another advisor he was working with. I mean, it wasn't a bad annuity at all, but I want to say the income was like $10,000 less than what we were showing him. And it was just because that was the carrier that advisor was limited to. They did not have access to the carriers that I have access to, and so they couldn't give him the highest payout. So he reached out to me specifically for a company, and this company is Midland National. So Midland National has been around for a long time, over 100 years, almost, I want to say 119 years now. And they're A+ rated. Their Comdex score is like 96. They are really, really strong. They are a great company to work with. And so I work with them a lot because they have high income amounts and they're very unique. And so we looked at his premium amount, and he was looking at putting $465,000 from his wife's 401k and putting it into an annuity contract. A single payout is $71,000 a year. A joint payout is $65,000 a year, which is great. I mean, it's going to pay him way more than the other one was going to pay him, and they can decide later on if they want to take it as a single or a joint payout, which I always recommend when people are married to do a joint. But not always. It just depends on your assets and depends on what you have between each other. Most of these annuity carriers, when you're looking at income, they look at anniversary dates, especially with an income rider. If you have an income rider that has a roll-up rate, like let's say 8 or 9%, it grows every year at that anniversary date. And that's based off the issue date of the policy. So if you want to have income in, let's say 5 years, then it needs to be 5 years, 5 anniversary dates before you take income if you want the highest income. Don't wait 4 years and 11 months. Then it'll be based off of 4 years, okay? You don't want to waste those 11 months. If you're going to take income, take it 4 years, right? Anyways, with Midland National though, they're a little different. They base it off of birthdays and base it off of the youngest spouse's birthday, which in his case is his wife. And his wife's birthday is in a month. And they're buying the policy right now. And so they're going to buy it right before her birthday. And when her first birthday rolls around in a month, for Midland National, that counts as one anniversary. So that's the equivalent of an entire year for another policy. So not only will they get more income, but they're going to actually be able to activate it practically a year earlier and still have the same benefits as if they had waited that entire year. Pretty cool, huh? So it really depends on a lot of factors. First, you got to make sure they're the highest payout. Okay, that should be a given. But then if you happen to have a birthday that's, closer, even 6 to 9 months out, at least you can still take it a few months early versus another contract. So, and you're with a solid carrier as well. There's a lot of good things going for this company right now. A lot of good things going for their income riders, and people need to know about it. That's one carrier that I work with out of like 70, okay? There are so many carriers out there, and there are different carriers. They're not the highest payout for everyone, okay? There are different carriers that might be a better payout for you. But I just want to share this because they are very unique with that type of offering. And if you want to go to my website and check for yourself, go to johnstevenson.com, go to my annuity calculators, go to the income rider, and you'll be able to pull up the highest income available right now to you. Okay, you can pick single, pick joint payout, doesn't matter. It'll show you exactly what it is. And if you want to book a call with me after that, you can. There's a link right there, and I would definitely invite you to book a call. You can book a call right below this video too. There's a link there as well. I'm not going to try to sell you anything. Of course, I'd love to sell you an annuity if that's something that's right for you. But that's your call. Do your research, and then if you feel comfortable, then reach out to me, or you could just book a call with me, and we'll get on a Zoom call, and I'll go over everything. I'll answer your questions, and we can go from there. So anyways, happy to help. If this video is helpful, I hope that you will I hope you'll click the subscribe button, and I hope that you'll share it. And I hope if you have questions, I hope that you feel comfortable commenting below, because I'll answer back. And I love to help. You'll notice that I've got a little creek behind me, and I'm in the beautiful Horse Thief Canyon area, about 8 miles south of Lake Tahoe, about 2 miles away from Hope Valley, just kind of give you an idea, about 15 minutes out of Carson Valley, Nevada. So there you go. Kind of gives you an idea where I'm at. It's a really beautiful spot here. It's a great hiking spot. It's one of my favorite spots to go hiking. And it's so nice because it's so close. And the weather is just phenomenal. It's actually warmed up a little bit. It's gonna cool down next week, but I wanted to at least come out here when everything is kind of melting right here so I could do a quick video. So I appreciate you watching. I really do. It's people like you, especially your questions and the feedback that I get that encourages me to continue to create these videos for you and give you hopefully the help, the advice that you're looking for, and the information that you're looking for as you search around. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.